Happy Sunday. Another Sunday morning, another parking lot church. With a visitor this time. Hello, sir. Are you sleeping in there? It's gonna get loud.
Lay me down, lay me down.
Hello. So we are headed to the Parker's house again for another celebration.
Thanksgiving in August.
Yeah, it's Megs-Giving, which means it's Megan's birthday.
I believe it's the 5th annual Megs-Giving.
Yeah, something. There's a lot of years. Anyway, it's one of my faves because, you know, I love Thanksgiving, and so does she. And she requests that for her meal for her birthday. So it's like Thanksgiving in August.
I'm not so much a mashed potatoes when it's 90 degrees outside kind of dude, but I can sacrifice for Megs-Giving. Also, it's not that hot today.
Yeah, I could eat it anytime, so it's fine with me.
Oh, I see Maggie. Hello, Maggie. Hi.
Yay! So fun.
Is this good to go on?
Yeah. Probably good to go in the mouth too. I've been doing some of that, but I want to be able to actually try to eat some when I get to the
Marlin tournament today out down there. You know the prizes, the top prizes for that?
I know some of the Alright, calm before the storm. Everyone's ready.
Oh no, I think this.
I did too, and then I did check. No, I was because it might have been there Friday when he was there at 8:30, but I totally forgot to check the front door.
Thank you for
You're
Thanksgiving.
welcome. We love Thanksgiving. So happy Meg was born so we can eat turkey again.
It's open 6 o'clock tomorrow night.
Oh, I got that on film. I think.
Hey, you're
Someone burped.
move into the shade, Matthew.
Oh no.
He's being all cocky.
What sunshine? I feel like J.J. Abrams videoing ladder golf. Look at that light leaks.
Can we just rotate? Like, wait, hold on. Can we all just rotate? Like, just
Guys, the thing's way over here.
oh wow. Yeah, like right here.
This is some stellar gameplay. We should live stream on Twitch.
Refilm around.
Hey!
Groove, my groove. Oh, what a save!
Oh. Hey. Oh.
Alright, we're gonna risk it for the biscuit here. Woo! This just became a 3D video. I wasn't paying attention.
I kind of did it on purpose.
You almost risked the biscuit.
Oh. Come on, guys.
It went right through it.
Give me something. Oh my goodness.
Content.
There we go.
Jeez. Jeez. Send it. Woo! Jeez. Chris.
That's the goal toss. Doesn't count.
That was bull. Does
Doesn't
that?
count.
That doesn't?
Hey!
Thank you.
From a twofer to a threefer.
Jesus. you guys pull this from?
We've realized that we suck, and it's just evolved into how can we throw it and try to get it on the thing.
You're not even straight. Move your left foot up.
Do it over your head again. Oh, almost! Hold on, let me zoom out so I can see how far away that was. Still not. There it is. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megan. Happy birthday to you.
The other wine's gonna be
I don't know. Wait.
Move the whole table.
I have to get
We're
on.
gonna catch some.
Oh, that's the butt crack. Sorry, internet. Demonetized. Let's go.
This one on the hardcore.
Megan, you were surprised.
Mike, I'm gonna get demonetized.
Now, I'm against having fall too early, but this is a special occasion because it's Megs-Giving, so we gotta have pumpkin pie. I will not have pumpkin creamer or anything like that before October, but like I said, I can't pass this up.
They get pushed back, but then
I don't know, but the autopsy of Jane Doe is good.
Nope, bye.
So wait, so we're watching that, right? As we're watching it,
All right, favorite animals.
These are the favorite animals? Or
Yeah,
the thinking
no,
of them?
no. You have to say what your favorite
No,
animal
these
is.
people are the favorite animals?
No.
that's just not a joke, Jim. Michael.
They absolutely hate it. Sophia will be
Is there a class you paid for?
not yet.
When it flashes, you can see people. The Graham and Allie will be able to see. Chris, reach out and find your happily ever after. Nick, can you put on the tights and the light up wings? Zip line from the roof?
Could have run a cable from the edge of the
Right, yeah, Nick could have zip lined.
Hello. Oh, meow meow.
Oh,
Sorry, she's
we have
like,
the kitten with us.
that's funny.
But Megs-Giving was another success. Happy birthday, Megan.
I love Megs-Giving.
Happy birthday. The college next door even put on fireworks in your honor.
They did it. They were pretty good actually for college. I know the tuition's high, so I apologize for all you students that go there, but
Gabby.
yes, but the fireworks were nice.
Yeah, just a coincidence that students were going back to school that weekend.
Yeah.
The
Usually
fireworks were from Megs-Giving.
It
for
does
sure.
add up to her birthday a lot of times, but it was just nice that it was on that weekend.
Yeah, we had a blast. Played games, ate pumpkin pie. That's the only pumpkin thing that I'm going to do until I get back from being south of here.
Yeah, I had pumpkin pie. Grammy's pumpkin pie is the best, so
Yeah, it is good.
had to have some.
It's the one exception is Megs-Giving is pumpkin pie until at least October. I don't do that whole September. The orange and plaid comes out. No, October.
He's a stickler on that.
I am. I'm a summer person, but
Me too.
we're getting away from the topic.
Anyway,
Meg's birthday.
Yay! Happy
was a
birthday!
blast.
It was fun.
Yard games, fireworks. It was always a good time. We've had a lot of family parties over there this summer with, quarantine and things being what they are. It's nice to be able to go outside and be with family still.
Yeah, it was a nice time.
Yeah. So, yeah, we love you, Megan. Happy birthday. Wishing you best of luck with all the baby things.
Babies.
Yeah. And, yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No. That's all I got.
All right.
Good night.
That's you got to give them some kind of good night. You can't just be like, good night.
Have a swell evening. I don't know.
We'll work on that.
What do we normally say?
I don't know. We'll catch you tomorrow, later.